Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Replit Agent, one of the most talked about AI coding tools and app builders available in 2026. But is Replit Agent really as revolutionary as people claim? Can it actually build production-ready applications? And is it suitable for beginners, entrepreneurs, and developers alike? And perhaps most importantly, is it worth paying for in 2026? Well, let's find out. At its core, Replit Agent is an AI-powered software development assistant that can transform simple text prompts into fully functioning applications. Instead of manually writing code, configuring databases, setting up authentication systems, connecting APIs, and deploying applications yourself, you simply describe what you want to build. For example, you can just tell Replit Agent, build me a task management app, or create an inventory system for my business, or make a social networking website. The agent then plans the project, generates the code, structures the application, builds the user interface, and creates the backend, connects databases as well, tests the applications, and helps deploy it. Now, let us talk about the main features of the Replit Agent. Natural language app development. The headline feature is the ability to build applications through conversations. That's what we call the natural language app development. Yes, there's a canvas where you can simply explain what you want. It can be a website, it can be mobile, it can be design, it can be slides for presentation, and it can be animation. The agent interprets your requirements and begins generating the application automatically. This dramatically lowers the barrier to software creation because users don't need to understand programming languages, they don't need to understand the frameworks or the infrastructure. The AI handles much of that complexity behind the scenes. Then there's the full stack application generation. Unlike simple code assistants that only help with isolated tasks, Replit agents can generate complete applications. Yes, this full stack capability is one of the reasons that many entrepreneurs are using Replit agents for MVP development and rapid prototyping. There's continuous refinement through the chat. Building doesn't stop after the first version. Users can continue chatting with the agent and request improvements even. You can ask for new features, for better designs, for bug fixes, and lots more. There's the extended thinking mode as well. Yes, for more challenging tasks, the Replit offers extended thinking capabilities that allows the AI to spend more time reasoning through complex requirements, architecture decisions, and technical challenges. There are high-power AI models. Yes, with this, users can enable more advanced AI models for demanding workloads. And these models are designed for larger projects, for advanced debugging, architecture planning, and performance optimization tasks. Third-party integrations are also included. The platform supports integrations with popular services like Stripe, OpenAI, external APIs, and various third-party tools. And this makes it possible to build commercial applications and AI-powered products directly within Replit's ecosystem. Now, what is the pricing like? The pricing has evolved significantly over the past year. So currently, there's a Replit Core plan at $18 per month when billed annually, a Replit Pro plan at $90 per month when billed annually, and an Enterprise plan which is custom made for teams. One thing users should understand is that Replit uses a credit-based or effort-based usage model. So when you have a complex task running, you can consume credits faster than simple tasks. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Replit? First, the pros. Extremely beginner-friendly. It has fast MVP development. It is great for rapid experimentation and has strong automation features. And what about the cons? The costs can increase quickly, and it requires human oversight. So having considered all this, is Replit Agent worth the hype? For many users, the answer is yes. Replit Agent represents one of the most ambitious attempts to make software development accessible to everyone. The ability to describe an idea in plain English and watch a working application come to life still feels remarkable. But I don't think it's a complete replacement for software engineers. But my overall opinion is that Replit Agent is one of the best AI app building platforms that are available in 2026 for rapid development and idea validation. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Cursor, Lovable, and Bolt.new. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.